Babysitting, exploring 10 profitable ways to make your passion for kids your business. Babysitting isn't just about keeping kids safe, it's about creating a nurturing environment and building meaningful connections. Whether you're an experienced babysitter or just starting out, these strategies can help you transform your babysitting skills into a thriving business. 1. Regular babysitting services. Offer your services for regular babysitting on evenings or weekends. Many parents are looking for reliable and trustworthy sitters to take care of their children while they enjoy some personal time or date nights. 2. Overnight babysitting. Provide overnight babysitting services for parents who need to travel or work late shifts. Overnight sitters offer parents peace of mind, knowing their children are safe and well cared for while they're away. 3. Emergency babysitting. Offer emergency babysitting services for parents who have unexpected situations or last-minute obligations. Being available on short notice can make you a go-to choice for families in urgent need. 4. Babysitting for special needs children. If you have experience or training in working with children with special needs, offer specialized babysitting services. Many parents of special needs children appreciate caregivers with the right expertise and understanding. 5. Babysitting for events and parties. Provide babysitting services during events, weddings, or parties where parents want their children to be entertained and supervised separately. Offering a safe and enjoyable environment for kids can be a valuable service. 6. Homework help and tutoring. Assist children with their homework and provide tutoring services. Many parents look for babysitters who can help their kids with school assignments and reinforce learning, turning babysitting sessions into educational opportunities. 7. Language babysitting. Offer language-focused babysitting for parents who want their children to learn a new language. Engage kids in activities, games, and conversations in the target language, creating an immersive learning experience. 8. Creative babysitting workshops. Organize creative workshops for kids during babysitting sessions. Activities like arts and crafts, cooking, or science experiments not only entertain children but also provide a unique babysitting experience parents are willing to pay for. 9. Babysitting consultation and advice. Offer consultation services to new parents or those struggling with childcare challenges. Provide advice on parenting, discipline, and routines. Your expertise and guidance can be invaluable for families seeking support. 10. Babysitting subscription services. Create subscription packages where parents pay a monthly fee for a set number of babysitting hours. Subscription services provide families with regular childcare support and ensure a steady income for you as a babysitter. Remember, babysitting is not just a job, it's an opportunity to positively influence a child's life and provide parents with much-needed support. House cleaning. 10 effective ways to make a living off of your cleaning abilities. Cleaning isn't just about tidying up. It's about creating a clean, healthy environment for families and businesses. Whether you're a seasoned cleaner or just starting out, these strategies can help you transform your passion for cleanliness into a thriving business. 1. Residential cleaning services. Offer regular cleaning services for homes. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, families appreciate reliable cleaners who maintain their living spaces. Residential cleaning services provide a steady income and a chance to build lasting relationships with clients. 2. Deep cleaning and spring cleaning. Provide deep cleaning services, tackling areas often overlooked in regular cleaning routines. Offer specialized spring cleaning packages to refresh homes after the winter season. Deep cleaning services are valued for their thoroughness and attention to detail. Or move-in, move-out cleaning. Help individuals and families with move-in and move-out cleaning services. Cleaning properties before new occupants move in or after previous tenants move out is a high-demand service in the real estate market. Or post-construction cleaning. Work with construction companies or homeowners to clean up after renovations or construction projects. Post-construction cleaning involves removing dust, debris, and ensuring the property is spotless and ready for occupancy. 5. Office and commercial cleaning. Provide cleaning services for offices, shops, and commercial spaces. Regular cleaning and sanitization are essential for businesses to maintain a professional atmosphere and ensure the well-being of employees and customers. 6. Specialized cleaning services. Offer specialized cleaning services such as carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, or window cleaning. Specialized services require specific skills and equipment, making them highly sought after by clients looking for professional results. 7. Eco-friendly cleaning. Appeal to environmentally conscious clients by offering eco-friendly cleaning services. Use eco-friendly products and practices to clean homes and businesses. Eco-friendly cleaning services are not only lucrative, but also contribute to a sustainable future. 8. Airbnb and vacation rental cleaning. Partner with property owners and managers to clean Airbnb units and vacation rentals between guests. Quick, thorough cleaning ensures high ratings and positive reviews, making this service essential for property owners in the hospitality industry. 9. Cleaning consultation and training. Offer consultation services to individuals or businesses looking to improve their cleaning routines. Additionally, provide training sessions for aspiring cleaners, sharing your expertise and helping others enter the cleaning industry. 10. Subscription-based cleaning services. Create subscription packages where clients pay a monthly fee for regular cleaning services. Subscription-based models provide a predictable income and loyal customer base, ensuring consistent work and revenue for your cleaning business. Remember, cleaning is not just a chore, it's a valuable service that enhances the quality of life for individuals and businesses. Car washing. Here are 10 practical ways you can make money from your love of clean cars. Car washing isn't just about removing dirt, it's about restoring that showroom shine and providing top-notch service. Whether you're a detailing expert or just starting out, these strategies can help you transform your car cleaning skills into a thriving business. 1. Mobile car washing services. Offer convenience by providing on-the-go car washing services. With a fully equipped mobile unit, you can wash cars at the client's location, whether it's their home or workplace. Mobile services are in high demand for busy individuals who appreciate the ease of having their vehicles cleaned on site. 2. High-end detailing services. Specialize in high-end detailing for luxury cars and exotic vehicles. High-end detailing involves meticulous cleaning, polishing, and protection treatments. Car owners who invest in premium vehicles are often willing to pay a premium price for top-quality detailing services. 3. Fleet car washing. Partner with businesses that operate a fleet of vehicles, such as delivery services, taxi companies, or rental car agencies. Offer regular washing and detailing services for their entire fleet. Fleet contracts provide a steady flow of work and consistent income. 4. Waterless car washing. Embrace eco-friendly practices by offering waterless car washing services. Waterless methods use specialized products that require minimal water or no water at all. This eco-conscious approach appeals to environmentally aware customers and businesses. 5. Interior detailing and cleaning. Focus on interior detailing, which includes deep cleaning, stain removal, and upholstery conditioning. A clean and fresh interior enhances the overall driving experience. Interior detailing services are highly valued, especially by vehicle owners who transport passengers frequently. 6. Headlight restoration. Offer headlight restoration services to improve visibility and the overall appearance of vehicles. Cloudy or yellowed headlights can be restored to a clear, like-new condition, enhancing both safety and aesthetics. Heaven's ceramic coating application. Become a certified ceramic coating applicator. Ceramic coatings provide long-lasting protection and a glossy finish to vehicle exteriors. Offering ceramic coating services can attract customers looking for premium protection for their cars. 8. Specialized vehicle cleaning. Clean and detail specialized vehicles such as RVs, boats, motorcycles, or vintage cars. Each type of vehicle requires unique cleaning techniques and products. Specializing in these areas can establish you as an expert in the field. 9. Subscription-based car washing. Introduce subscription packages where customers pay a monthly fee for a set number of car washes. Subscription-based services create a reliable stream of income and encourage customer loyalty. Add car care workshops and tutorials. Share your expertise by organizing car care workshops and tutorials. Teach car owners how to properly wash, detail, and maintain their vehicles. Workshops can be conducted in person or online, reaching a wider audience and establishing your authority in the field. Remember, car washing is not just a job, it's an opportunity to keep vehicles looking their best and provide exceptional service to car owners.